Meaning of gimmicky.
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 Gimmicky. Gimmicky refers to something that tries to be unique or attract attention by using flashy, unusual, or sometimes even deceptive methods. It implies that the item or feature in question is more concerned with catching people's attention than with delivering meaningful value or function. A gimmicky product might have a flashy design, exaggerated advertising claims, or unnecessary features that don't actually make it more useful. In short, a gimmick is often seen as a trick or shortcut to get ahead, rather than a genuine innovation or improvement.